back, or welcome if you're new here on today. Thanks so much for stopping by Katrina's Priceless Home, Life, and more. In today's video, well, it's all about my summer home refresh video number one. Yeah, video number one. So in today's video, I'm deep cleaning my living room. I will let you enjoy the majority of this video to music because I have curated an inspirational mix of music for you on today. And at the end, I'll come back and say bye, y'all, bye, and make all of the channel announcements. So if you're new, consider joining my Priceless family. It's easy, it's free, and it's fun. Simply hit subscribe and hit the notification bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Now let's get to the cleaning.
I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne. I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my soul goal in this life, but there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't have to be perfect. Perfect you are. You are. We try our best, but sometimes we fall short. It's part of our design. It's what we need God for. No record keeping, no, He won't take score. Just standing in the gap, waiting to restore the merciful love that you shown. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your about His grace. There's freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing. No matter who we are, we know you'll never change. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing. Let me tell you all the ways I'm covered. I got strength to run my race as He ushers friends and family, I say, in His shelter. No matter where I turn, there's blessings in my face. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing. He's always doing amazing, something amazing. Unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. That's unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. If you've seen it done, changing the impossible to the greatest story told. All I am is nothing short of a miracle. I'm in awe, you're so amazing. Doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, something amazing. Amazing. Doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Unending love, never.
I sincerely hope that today's video has motivated and inspired you to deep clean a room in your house for the summertime. And if so, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. Listen, I was working up a sweat, so Mom went in the kitchen and prepared me some breakfast. Thank you, Mom. And after breakfast, well, I was back to it, giving this area rug a spot cleaning. So thank you again for stopping by the channel on today, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because I have a new furniture piece I can't wait to share with you. Until Thursday, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.